Hello, welcome again. We are covering the subject compressible fluid flow for civil services mains, IFS, and GATE aerospace exam. Now we'll solve some questions based on normal shock wave. So first question is: a normal shock wave is standing in the test section of a supersonic wind tunnel. Upstream of the wave, m1 is equal to 3, p1 is equal to zero point 0.5 atmosphere, and t1 is equal to 200 Kelvin. Find m2, p2, t2, u2 downstream of the wave. So this can be solved by two ways. First by property relation, second by shock table. So first, um, the property relation for pressure ratio is P2 by P1 is equal to 1 plus 2 gamma by gamma plus 1 bracket m1 square minus 1 bracket 4. That we have derived. M1 is your 3 and gamma is 1.4. So putting these values, you can find out P2 by P1, that is 10.33. Second, rho 2 by rho 1 formula is gamma plus 1 within bracket m1 square divided by 2 plus gamma minus 1 m1 square. So putting m1 as 3 and gamma as 1.4, root by rho 1 is 3.85. Now after finding P2 by P1 and rho 2 by rho 1, we can find out T2 by T1 using state equation. Okay, so T2 by T1 comes out as 2.679. So this is by using formula. So now we can see the shock table also to find out these properties. In the shock table corresponding to m is equal to 3, this is the pressure ratio and this is the temperature ratio. So these two are given. Third column is pressure ratio and fourth column is temperature ratio, and this is your mx. So we can see these two in the shock table. So pressure ratio Py by Px 10.33 and Ty by Tx 2.679, and using that formula we can find out density. So that is 3.857. So here P2 is P1 is your 0.5, so P2 is your 10.33 into 0.5, that is 5.165, and T2 is T1 is 200, so T2 is 2.679 into 200, that is 535.8, and sonic velocity is your root gamma RT2, so that is root 1.4 to 87, and that T2 is your 535.8. So that comes as 464 meter per second, and m2 from shock table can also be seen. So corresponding to 3 Mach number, m2 is 0.475. So or we can use formula also to find out m2, that we have derived relationship between upstream and downstream Mach number. Otherwise we use the shock table. As it is here, gamma is 1.4 and shock table is 4, gamma is equal to 1.4, so it is better to see shock table. So m2 is 0.4752 and a2 we have calculated, so u2 can be calculated, that is 220 meter per second.